What's going on, guys? So I have some exciting news. Just visited one of my buddies at the parts store, and he said that I can leave some of my Suqua 911 chargers, which I will be doing a review about this. It's like a jump starter for vehicles. It also comes with like a seatbelt cutter, window smasher, a compass, police lights for SOS signals, a flashlight, and all of that good stuff. So I'll be doing a review on this soon and making a little commercial so you guys can see what it's about. So yeah, he said I can leave it in the stores. When they sell, he'll give me the proceeds to him, and you know, I'll just use that money to invest it. So I'm trying to do bigger things with my life, getting into little investments and stuff here and there. So it's gonna take me a little time, but it's worth it. Yeah, he's a good friend of mine. So now I'm heading back home to Bergenfield. Right now I'm in Clifton, New Jersey, which is about 20-ish minutes away from me. So now I'm heading back to Bergenfield. Might stop to get something to eat. I'm not sure yet. Not feeling that hungry. Where am I going? Yeah, guys, so it's been a good day so far. Garage is going up. Made a wrong turn.
Turn left in 0.9 miles.
So garage is going up, which is awesome. Right now they're on the foundation, which is almost finished. Supposedly by Thursday of this week, the framing should start, which I cannot wait to see how it goes. And the expected time that it should be finished should be by February, the ending of February, maybe the third week of February, hopefully. Then I can start, just putting everything back in the garage. And yesterday I had my cousins, do a little video with me. It didn't turn out as well as I expected it to, where we were supposed to talk about like what cars they drive and have a little interview with them. It's now starting to rain, which sucks because that's when traffic starts. I am now in the ghetto area of Clifton. Let me lock these doors. Ain't trying to get robbed out here. Okay. Right, this traffic is moving so slow that you could get robbed out here. So let me get out of this area. Come on, guy, what you doing? What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Hey, you ain't watching where you going, son. Your ass crazy, man. What the fudge? So on this ride anyway, I have this topic that I want to talk about. I've been doing some research on 3D printing car parts, which is a topic that I had written down that I wanted to talk about for a while, but I never got the chance to. So basically what the hell?
Hello, this is an urgent announcement for you regarding your current electric bill.
Okay. So anyway, so basically they were saying like the 3D printing for car parts has been getting so advanced that eventually they're coming out with disposable cars, meaning like if you get into an accident, the car can easily be disposed of and you can just create another one, which is kind of like what we have today, but they're not that disposable because people still repair them. But for this one, like if you get into an accident, you can just chop off a certain part of the chassis and just print out the next part and then put it back on. It's like Legos. And then maybe if one day you're driving a nice sports car and then you get a family, you can just switch the top and make it into a minivan. And then if you don't want a minivan, you want a truck, you can just swap the top and make it into a truck, and so on and so forth. So I think that's kind of cool, but also I'm not so sure how I feel about it, because if you get into an accident,
1,000 feet, turn
I
left.
feel like the crumple zones if you get into an accident, I feel like it's not safe. Everything's just gonna fall apart. What if you hit a really hard bump? Is that gonna fall apart? I just think it's weird, honestly. All right, I'm getting like really into the ghettos. What the hell? Like nervous ghettos. Yeah, so what are your thoughts about that? If you guys want to put some input on that, I think it could be cool. Supposedly, it's the future. I don't know what it's gonna do to the body shop industry wise. Because they make their money on cars getting into accidents and repairing them. But if you can get a disposable car that you can just print at your own leisure, or switch the top on your car at your own leisure, then that's gonna put some people out of work maybe. So yeah, I don't know what that's gonna do for it. Ooh, there's a KFC out here. Alright guys, let me focus on driving, because it's getting a little sketchy out here and there's a lot of ghetto people out here. I'm trying to get robbed, like I said. And yeah, talk to you all soon. Peace.